Are vaginas similar in form? Hello, welcome back everyone. Today's topic is, are vaginas similar in form? Well, of course not. There are many variations in the appearance of the vagina, and most are normal and not a cause for concern. Here's some different appearance of vaginas. Number 1. Color. The color of the vulva can vary from pink or reddish to darker or more muted. The genital area has many pigment-producing cells, so it's common for the labia to be darker than the surrounding skin. Number 2. Shape and size. The size and shape of the labia and clitoris can vary widely. It's also common for one inner lip to be longer, thicker, or larger than the other. Number 3. Vaginal opening. Some women have vaginal openings that are tight and narrow, while others may have wider openings. Number 3. Smell. All vaginas have a faint smell, which can be affected by food and hormone intake. A slightly sour or tangy smell is normal, and is associated with the good bacteria in the vagina. A metallic smell during menstruation is also normal, because period blood contains iron. Number 4. Lumps and bumps. It's not uncommon for lumps and bumps to appear and disappear, such as ingrown hairs, acne, bulging veins, and benign cysts. But today we're going to talk about the shapes and sizes of vagina. Vaginas come in many different shapes, including classic, a tight opening and a long narrow canal, with symmetrical and evenly shaped labia. Wide, a wider opening and broader canal, with labia that may be slightly asymmetrical. Short, a shorter, more compact canal, with labia that may be shorter and less pronounced. Loose, a relaxed, loose appearance with labia that may be slightly asymmetrical. Oval, similar to an egg. Cylindrical, a cylindrical shape. There are several different types of vaginas based on the shape and size of the labia, or lips of the vulva. Number 1. Symmetrical labia. Symmetrical labia are labia majora and labia minora that are evenly shaped and sized, and do not protrude beyond the outer folds of the skin. However, the appearance of labia can vary significantly from person to person, and can change over time. The labia majora and labia minora are the same size and shape, and are smooth and uniform in appearance. Number 2. Asymmetrical labia. Asymmetrical labia, or uneven labia, is a common and natural occurrence where one labia is larger, thicker, or longer than the other. It can be caused by genetic, hormonal, or external factors. The labia majora and labia minora are different sizes and shapes, and may be longer or more pronounced on one side than the other. Number 3. Protruding labia. The labia are longer or more pronounced than usual, and may be visible even when the woman is not sexually aroused. Protruding labia, also known as labial hypertrophy, is a common condition where the labia majora, labia minora, or both appear enlarged. It can be normal and doesn't always require treatment. However, if it causes discomfort or irritation, you can consider talking to your doctor about treatment options. Number 4. Prominent labia minora. The inner lips are longer than the outer lips and stick out. The outer lips of the vulva, or labia majora, can also vary in appearance. 1. The labia majora may be long and hang low with thin skin. 2. The labia majora may be thick and puffy. 3. The labia majora may hide the inner lips and clitoris almost entirely. 4. The labia majora may curve and meet at the ends, exposing some of the inner lips. 5. The labia majora may be short and not meet, exposing the inner lips more prominently. Prominent labia minora, also known as labial hypertrophy, is when the labia minora are larger than normal. It can be normal for the labia minora to appear larger than the labia majora during puberty. It can also be caused by genetic factors, hormonal changes, or other conditions. It can be caused by constant pressure or stimulation to the labia for wheelchair-bound patients. All of these types of vaginas are normal, and do not affect a woman's health or sexual function. Well, this is all for today's video, and I hope we acknowledged you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.